The human eye is a remarkable organ, capable of transforming light into the visual images we experience daily. The eye's structure is complex, with each part playing a crucial role in the process of sight. At the front of the eye lies the cornea, a transparent dome-shaped surface that covers the pupil, iris, and anterior chamber. The cornea acts as the eye's outermost lens, bending incoming light to help it focus. Behind the cornea is the aqueous humor, a clear fluid that nourishes the cornea and lens while maintaining intraocular pressure. The iris, the colored part of the eye, is a ring of muscle tissue that surrounds the pupil, the black circular opening in the center of the eye. The primary function of the iris is to control the amount of light that enters the eye by adjusting the size of the pupil. When exposed to bright light, the iris contracts, making the pupil smaller, a process known as the iris reflex. This contraction reduces the amount of light entering the eye, protecting the delicate tissues inside from potential damage caused by excessive light. Conversely, in dim light, the iris relaxes, allowing the pupil to dilate and let in more light, which enhances vision in low-light conditions. Behind the pupil is the lens, a flexible, transparent structure that further focuses light onto the retina, located at the back of the eye. The retina is a light-sensitive layer of tissue that contains photoreceptor cells, including rods, which are responsible for vision in low light, and cones, which detect color and fine detail. When light hits the photoreceptors, it is converted into electrical signals that are transmitted to the brain via the optic nerve. The brain then interprets these signals, enabling us to see. The lens also plays a critical role in another reflex, the ability to focus on objects at varying distances, known as accommodation. To focus on near objects, the ciliary muscles surrounding the lens contract, causing the lens to become more curved and thickened. This increased curvature allows the lens to bend light rays more sharply, directing them onto the retina to create a clear image. When focusing on distant objects, the ciliary muscles relax, causing the lens to flatten. This reduction in curvature allows light rays to focus directly on the retina without the need for significant bending. The eye also contains the vitreous humor, a gel-like substance that fills the space between the lens and the retina. This substance helps maintain the eye's shape and allows light to pass through to the retina. The retina itself has several layers, with the innermost layer containing the photoreceptors and the outer layers containing neurons that process the signals before they are sent to the brain. In summary, the human eye is a finely tuned system in which each part, from the cornea and iris to the lens and retina, works together to capture and process light, allowing us to see the world around us. The iris reflex protects the eye by regulating the amount of light entering it, while the accommodation reflex enables us to focus on objects at different distances, ensuring clear vision in a variety of conditions.